presenting the 2007 Ford Mustang. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include pass-through rear seat, power outlet, 4-wheel disc brakes, bucket seats, adjustable steering wheel, CD player, aluminum wheels, engine immobilizer, and power windows. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.